All right, example 3 just adds one step to what we just did, maybe 2 steps on this one. But what you want to think about here is, it looks a little different than what we've seen before. But right here, it says absolute value of 4x minus 6. Then we're going to take away 7. That's going to equal negative 5. The idea, again, is to solve for x. So what you're going to do here is just kind of pretend like this is one big thing you can't touch. We can't touch that yet. You're going to try to just isolate that. To isolate this thing right here, what you have to do is get rid of that negative 7 first. Okay. Now, how we do that? Right here. Look right here. We're going to isolate this absolute value expression. By doing that, we're going to add 7 to each side. Add 7 to each side. That makes these go away. And you're left with that absolute value expression right there. Okay? Negative 5 plus 7 is 2. Okay. Now that looks a little bit more like example 2. Okay, now, because that absolute value expression, 4x minus 6 equals 2, again, let's go back to what we did in example 2. This whole thing right here, think about what that could be. Everything right here has to be worth 2, or everything right here has to be 2 spaces from 0. So the expression 4x minus 6 could be worth 2 things. It could be worth 2, but it also could be negative 2. Now, from here, if you feel pretty confident, you can solve it on your own, but I'll go ahead and do this. 4x minus 6 could have a positive value of 2, or over here it could have a negative value of negative 2. I'll go back to the left side. So to get rid of the minus 6, notice how the absolute value expression is gone now. And now we're just solving like we normally would. We're going to add 6 here. We're going to add 6 here. Those go away. This becomes 8. So it's 4x equals 8. And a lot of people can solve this mentally from here. We're going to divide by 4 on both sides to get 1x equals 2. Over here on this side, same thing. We're going to be adding 6 to both sides. This becomes 4. And now 4x equals 4. Hopefully you can solve this kind of quickly. And that becomes 1. So the two solutions that work for x in this case are 2 and 1. Again, we'll probably be writing it like this on our homework. X equals 2, 1. Or you could write 1, 2.